Jackman and Martins conclude that opportunity is also a predictor. It's also a positive predictor of infidelity, meaning that between opportunity and infidelity, there is a positive relationship on the scale. Not everyone receives a viable opportunity to engage in infidelity and may never receive one. Intent to commit an infidelity may be moot absent opportunity. So that's where the negative relationship comes from. If you remember those previous slides about negative and positive, that if you don't have the opportunity to engage in infidelity, then there is a negative relationship between opportunity and infidelity. But if you have opportunity, here it is, the girls, while you guys are on the road trip as a basketball team, the girls are running down the hall trying to get to you, right? And then you look at that as an opportunity because your wife is not there. You don't see cameras anywhere. And so you look at that as an opportunity to cheat, to engage in an infidelity. Well, you have opportunity, so then there is a positive relationship between opportunity and engaging in infidelity. However, intent to commit an infidelity might be motivated to create and or seek out an opportunity. More research is needed to determine the difference between likelihood of infidelity and actual infidelity. And so likelihood is all relative. You know, again, it's based upon opportunity. You can also have opportunity and not pursue it. You know, likelihood also means that as well. And then actual infidelity is the actual act of infidelity.